Hey, what's up, friends? Today I'm on the boat here, and I just wanted to share a piece of equipment I installed about a year ago now, but one of my favorite upgrades I've done to the boat. Super simple, and that is the Blue Sea 12-volt panel with multiple charging ports, and this is the on-off switch. So I've got this tied into my panel. If I turn on my radio switch, immediately my charging panel turns on and I can get a digital readout of my 12-volt system and how much voltage I have on hand. Much nicer than the analog version, which still works, but just much easier to read and see immediately what's going on with your electronics. I love the location of this too, where this was my old CD player. I chose this panel because it fit the spot perfectly. Just a little bit of a gap down on the bottom that I've filled with epoxy. Took out my CD player, which draws a ton of voltage, along with the speakers that draw voltage, and swapped it out for this panel so I can charge my devices. So of course I still like to listen to music on the boat, but I use my JBL Charge Bluetooth speaker, which is a great speaker. Puts out good sound. I can move it around the boat to wherever I'm at, and it also will charge your phone if you run out of battery power, so a good backup charging solution there. So you can see, here's how it works. Basically, plug your phone in. Obviously, charging my phone here now. You get an immediate readout of how much voltage you're using to charge that device. And we've got multiple ports here too. So we've got two USB, another two USB cigarette. You can swap these ports out for different options. So USB-C is available now, I think. So I could swap this out if I needed it for USB-C. This was super easy to install because I have this cabinet that I can easily access the back of this panel. And the cutout was already there for my CD player, so I just used my positive and negative connections. Everything else was pre-wired, and you can take out these ports individually and swap them out. Like I said, they unscrew, and you can put in a different port. If you're not using the cigarette outlet at all, you put another USB in there, or maybe a USB-C to update it. So this thing isn't going to go out of style as our technology keeps changing. Hopefully there'll be new upgrades as things evolve, but I really like it. It's a great solution to keep everything charged on board. Charge your GoPro, charge your speaker, charge your phone, and then the digital readout is just super nice. It comes in different sizes. I got the wider one that fit where the CD player was, but they have versions without the digital readout and just the ports. Sometimes there's 100 different variations they have. So check out Blue Sea Systems if you're interested in upgrading your charging capabilities on your boat. And if you like this video, check out some of my other videos. I've got other product reviews, I've got some how-to videos, and of course sailing videos. So if you like this video, please like and subscribe, and hope to see you out there on the water. Take it easy.